along the vertebrae column, 2, and 5 fingertips along the ribs. The second is ironing or deep stroke using palm, knuckles, or fork, or basic. The third is circular. Ito ay paghagod ng isang kamay na pabilog. The second variation is two-handed, or both hands glide simultaneously. Subvariation is heart-shaped, or both hands glide in heart-shaped motion.
Rationale or temporal?
Rationale, it is begin or end of the massage. It is also introducing touch or applying lubricant.
Okay. And the benefit?
Benefits, benefits. Sir, ilulawan namin. Dumdumadamit, sir. Concentrate na.
Relaxation and cures insomnia.
Heart shape. Relief insomnia.
Okay.
Second is circular. One hand or beside the other in circular motion. The third is alternate hands. Both hands are gliding but alternately. First subvariation is raking, same as one-handed but both hands are glide. Circular.
Wala kang heart shape, ha?
Meron, dalawang. Ang isang kamay ay humahagod ng buong pabilog at ang isang kamay at kalahating ikot lang.
Next.
The last subvariation or variation is the nerve stroke. It is feather-like finger tracing from superior to inferior or proximal to distal. The second stroke is petrissage. Petrissage is also known as kneading. It is a cycle of lifting, squeezing, and releasing tissue. The first variation is one hand or simple plum squeeze.
Don't put extra movement, ha? Pag sinabing
One hand or simple plum squeeze. Two-handed, same as one hand but both hands squeeze. Squeezing. Subvariation is spraying hands. Squeeze
Forward.
forward. Spraying hands. Finger interlace, palm squeeze upward from distal to proximal. The next subvariation is the ocean waves, or lift the side in opposite direction with compression.
Lean mo konti. Baba mo ng konti.
Ganito.
Baba mo ng konti. Yung katawan. Yan.
Lift the side in different direction with compression. Pulling. Pulling is use the thumb or palm.
Lift the side.
Lift the side using the palm or thumb, then moving separately while moving forward. The next is skin rolling. Lift the skin or the superficial fascia using the thumbs or fingers. Push the muscle, then lift, then roll. The third is friction. Friction is also known as rubbing. It is super or compressing tissue in different direction. First is superficial warming friction or heat trap. Briskly done or briskly in opposite direction. Next is sewing. Sewing using the ulnar edge of the hand, fingertips, or knuckles to rub. The next variation is rolling. Rolling is hold the lid with open palm, then roll from distal to proximal. The next is reining. Hawakang mabuti ang kamay at pigain ito mula distal to proximal. The same with rolling. Ang next ay deep transverse friction. Ito din ay kagaya ng chucking, pero ito ay ginagawa perpendicular to the muscle fiber. While ang chucking, ginagawa ito in the same direction as the muscle fiber, tendons, and ligaments. Last ay ang circular. Ito ay maliit na pagpaikot or maliit na umiikot sa mga mabubutong bahagi ng katawan. The next stroke is taputment. Taputment is percussion. It is repetitive staccato striking movement using the ulnar edge o the kampan, the loose fist, or the fingertips. The first is tapping or finger thumb or finger pad straightening. First subvariation is punctuation, or it is the deep stroke using the cluster fingers upon the buttocks, gastrocnemius, or the sole of the feet.
Sol lang, sol. Yan.
Sabi ni ma'am dito lahat po.
Sol na. Saan ang sol na?
Ito lahat.
Yan ang sol. Yan.
Sure ka sir? Pag tinanong kami, ito ang alam namin. Sole of the feet. The next subvariation is pulsing. Pulsing is deep light touch. Deep light touch.
Deep light. You dip.
Deep,
Light.
deep light, deep light, deep light. The next is raindrops or light fingertips on the scalp or face.
Fingertip tapping.
The next is piecement. Piecement or plucking, ito ay pagkurot o pagtapik gamit ng mga malalamang bahagi ng mga daliri na bumabayo. The next is hacking. Hacking is chopping using the ulnar edge done simultaneously or alternately. The next is quacking. Quacking is used the three fingertip or three fingers producing quack sound. Cupping. Cupping is used the palm to come or to tap.
To cup.
Cup. It is also used to loosen flame or inducing cupping. The next is flapping. Flapping is patampal gamit
Clapping.
Clapping.
Patampal gamit ang mga bukas na palad na bumabayo. Slapping, ito ay pagtapik ng patagilid.
Slap. Right. Sakit.
Pounding, ginagamit ang bukas na kamoon na bumabayo. Pag ito naman ay pataob, ito ay wrapping. Next is
Vibration.
no. May isa pa eh. Flapping. May isa pa, di ba?
Go. Pecho.
The next is diffuse. Diffuse is good in constipation. And for your permission, ma'am, pwede ko bang gawin ito sa bandang likuran? Kasi ito po ay ginagawa sa bandang abdomen po natin.
Sa abdomen.
So,
Gawin mo
it
sa
is
abdomen.
lay palmar.
Gawin mo sa abdomen.
Harap siya.
Oh, yeah. Cross. Insecure. Wala na. Kita na. Wait. Outer pose. Init lang. Ulit. Tapos na. Tuturo ko lang. Kasi hindi naman
Kissing.
okay. So, antak. Okay. Antak. You hold this one.
Then, lang.
And, okay, cover ko rin siya. Then, after that, ulog mo. So, okay.
Pwede po ba tayong, ang tawag doon?
Umikot.
Umikot, bandang kanan, ma'am?
Harap sa akin. Okay.
So,
Then,
ayusin ko
another one, yes. Gagawin mo dito. Ito na.
Ba. Diyan talaga.
Ito. Yan. Ito ang left side. Then, you secure again. And then,
So,
forward.
tewong sa tasa. Okay. Diffuse.
Okay.
Diffuse. Lay palmar surface. Then striking the ano
Back.
tawag doon? Back
Of your hand.
of my
Of
the
your-
hand of the hand
From
from lower right quadrant, upper left, and lower
again.
lower
Lay palm from the right
Right
lower quadrant.
upper right quadrant,
Yan lang.
upper left quadrant, and lower left quadrant.
Ayan. Sige lang. Okay, follow the colon of the
Colon of the
intestine.
intestine.
Okay, next.
The next is
Cover.
vibration.
Cover.
Vibration it is trembling, shivering, or shaking,
Ano yung sinasabi mo?
trembling, shivering, or rocking movement. So the first,
Shivering, trembling, rocking movement.
ano sir? Shaking,
Shaking, trembling,
trembling,
or
shivering,
rocking movement.
shivering,
Shivering, or rocking
or
movement.
rocking movement.
Okay.
The first vibration is fine. Fine. Ito
Diyan,
na.
kahit di mo na buksan.
Wag mo buksan.
Pwede
Or
siyang gawin.
trembling the skin or the fingertips on the skin.
Trembling mo. Yan. Yan, dyan lang.
Trembling the fingertips on the skin.
Kikiliti ako.
The next is
Sige.
justly or vigorously shake from back and forth.
Alam ni Stasi yan, sir.
Justly.
Hindi ba na talaga ang boyfriend?
Okay lang to,
Wait,
sir?
hindi siya.
Sa upper?
Tinignan
Sir,
niya.
okay lang? Justly? Ganyan.
Masyadong mataas. Ayan.
Ganyan.
Pwede. Pwede gano'n. Pag ano.
Shake it back.
And shake back and forth. The next is force vibration or shaking the extremity from proximal to distal.
Hindi. Shake vigorously. This one. You hold.
Hold.
Maganda yung pag-shake ni Sir.
Kasi dati na siyang nanginginig ako, hindi pa. The next is the push or the rocking vibration or the push and catch. Push, catch, push, push,
You push like this.
push,
Yeah.
push, catch.
This one. Push, catch, push, catch.
Sasalitan.
Go.
Tapos na po ang 5 basic stroke, ma'am. Pwede po tayong magpahinga mga 3 minuto hanggang 5 po. Babalikan kita after 5 minutes po. Okay lang po ba, ma'am? Gusto niyo po ba ng tubig, ma'am? Or hot tea or iced tea na inumin pagkatapos niyo pong magbihis?
Sige po. Paano pag sinabi niyang bigyan mo tapos
Tatakbo ako sa